Hi everyone, I am Kai from Tizo. Today I will show you how to delete search history on Chrome iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Guys, for delete your Chrome browsing history on your iPhone, first of all you need to go your Chrome browser. Now I am opening my Chrome browser. After opening my Chrome browser, bottom right corner you have seen three dot. I am pressing on three dot. Scroll down. Then you have seen delete browsing data. Press delete browsing button. Then you have seen browsing history. Two items here. I am pressing on right now delete browsing data. They are asking me for confirmation. Then deleting browsing data. Right, press done option. That's it. Watching. For more tips and tricks, check out triso.com. Have question, drop them in the comments. See you next time.